Hello friends, welcome back. So before starting off with loops, we first need to cover conditions, and to cover conditions we will first be needing to cover Boolean data types. So we'll be starting off with the Boolean data types today. I've created a blank notebook here, and let us start off with the Boolean data types. So let us consider a variable x, and I pass a value true into it, and if I just run it and I just display the value of x, so true is being displayed. Now if at all I want to check the data type of x, I simply need to type like type of x, so it would be bool. This is what is a Boolean data type. The values would be either true or false. So the Boolean data types has that can be applied into many operations. Let us move on to the basic operations. Those are the relational operations, right? Now in relational operations, let us start off by saying, like, take some value in x, and I'll take some value in y, say 6 or like anything, and then I simply type x greater than y. The output should be false here because I have 5 in x and 10 in y, so obviously 5 can't be greater than 10, and when I run it, the answer that I get is false. Now this could be x less than y. When it's x less than y, it would be true. Similarly, what you can do is you can play around it, saying x less than equals to, again yes, it would be true. X greater than equals to, it would be false. But when I say, like, put a value of 5 into it and I check for equal to, single equal to, double equal to, they have a difference. Single equal to is this when you assign a value to a variable, whereas double equal to is you're checking for the left hand side and right hand side whether they are same or not. So here the answer would be a true. So this is where Boolean data types are applied. This is one of the use cases, relational operations. The other one being the logical operations. So let us move on to the logical operations. Again, let's just consider some dummy value into x, say 3, and some dummy value into y, say 6. Now once I have these values, what I can do, I will take another variable, say z equals to 3. I have 3 variables here. What I will do is I'll simply have multiple conditions saying x is greater than z, or x is less than y, or greater than y for that matter. Now what happens? Is x greater than z? No. Is x greater than y? No. The answer should be a false. Or here is the logical operator. This could be replaced with and as well. These are important because this would be the crux of if else statements as well as while loops. For loops don't consider this, but yes, if and while will use this. So again here, x greater than z and x greater than y, and follows true only then it would give a true output. So here let us take some true condition saying z is greater than x. That's a true condition here. That's a false condition here. And y greater than x. What I'll do is I'll make it or. If either of the condition is true, the output will be true. Here this condition was a false. Z greater than x is not valid, whereas y greater than x is valid. That's a true point. So hence false or true is true. So here we end the topic of Boolean data types. Boolean, I hope, is clear. Considering this knowledge, we'll be moving forward towards loops. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.